Amazon Beauty finds CONFU hair dryer. It comes in a very nice and elegant packaging that makes a perfect gift for your friends and family. It comes with 2 headpieces, one to help you curl your hair and one to freely blow dry your hair. It's unique in design and compact in size, making it ideal for home and travel. The nozzle is magnetic, so it can freely rotate 360 degrees, making it easier to style your hair. It produces ions to make your hair smooth and reduce a frizz. It has temperature settings and speed settings and a light to let you know if it's low in heat, medium or high heat, and an on-off button. The blue light is cold, the purple is warm, the red is hot. It has 110,000 RPM brushless motor, making it high speed and low noise hair dryer. What I like about it, it's faster than traditional hair dryers, saving you valuable time. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.